Hey guys, Train Buddies here. I'm Mike.
I'm Chris.
We are here at Pioneer Park.
Right near Pioneer Park, yep.
And CSX 911. Trying to catch it here. We got a train coming before it. Should be here any second.
Yeah, CSX and 911 should be coming down this line, but last we saw it's stuck in Queensgate Yard.
Yep,
so hopefully it keeps progressing south, but we're in a holding pattern. We don't know what's holding it up. But like Mike said, we got one coming down the line. Should be here any minute. Stay tuned. We got a DPU coming up.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, that's so cool! Wow! That's a CFX leaser, guys. That's awesome. Ha!
That was a cool DPU to see.
CEFX leaser. Chicago Northwestern. there. That's awesome. This is a cool train.
That was cool. Burlington Northern.
CEFX. The end. Awesome.
Oh, Michael.
That's an L&M. Chessie.
Chessie Cat.
Wow, this is an awesome train. Wow.
That was a L&N.
This is probably the coolest train I'm going to see in my life.
Maybe I can run and jump on top of that right now.
Wow, that was awesome. Alright guys, here it is. CSX 911. It's coming around the bend. But yeah, they just said CSX 911 on the scanner.
No defects.
It's always a good thing. It's leading this time, so it's going to be pretty cool. Got 2 camera shots.
Hopefully.
Huh.
We'll see how the one turns out. It's coming in nice and slow for us.
Yep. CSX 911, there he was. Totally awesome, dude. That's a shiny car right there. Norfolk Southern.
Spirit of our first responders. CSX 911.
That was a weird sound. This one is going to be a long one.
Empty auto racks, it looks like. It's starting to rain.
It's starting to rain on us, guys. With this 911 in the rain. Trying to hide our mics here under my hat. CPKC. CPKC. That is awesome. 125th anniversary. And GT. Grand Trunk. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Ha! Thanks for watching this Train Buddies video. CSX 911. 2 CPKC cars and some awesome loads. Static and chatter. Thanks for watching. Train Buddies out. Like and subscribe.
Train Buddies out.
Train Buddies out.